To make these easy fabric flowers, I have this small piece of fabric. You could use an old t-shirt or an old blouse, or this is a bed sheet that I no longer used. And it measures about 11.5 inches by 5 inches. So I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold it in half again. Put this into thirds, so I'm just going to eyeball it like that. And then I'm going to cut along the fold. Like that. I have 6 equal pieces. And now I'm just going to round off these edges here. And I'm just going to do 3 at a time in case my scissors don't want to cut through. So I'm just going to round this off like that, and over here as well. And then I'll do the remaining 3. Like that. And now I have a needle and thread, and you could sew these on the sewing machine if you like. But I'm going to do them by hand so that you can see that you don't even need a sewing machine to make these flowers. So I'm going to start my thread here. I'm going to anchor it well. And then I'm just going to sew all the way around. Like that. And then I'll secure this with a couple of stitches. And I'm going to turn this right side out. And then I have a bit of stuffing. If you don't have stuffing, you could use cotton balls. I'm going to put that inside. Like that. Now I'm going to fold this in half. And I'm going to take a couple of stitches. And then I'm going to fold it down so that this section is in the center. And just take a couple of stitches. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and sew all of these like this. I have these ones prepared ahead of time. And now I'm going to cut a small square of felt or any type of fabric and round out the corners. Like that. And now with my glue gun, I'm going to put a circle of glue on my felt circle. And I'm going to arrange my petals on here. Like that. And now you can glue a button in the center, or a cluster of beads. And this is another shank style button. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make these little scrap fabric flowers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.